Welcome to Human IT Solutions Private Limited. Today we will go through stock classification. In this we will see display stock management, damage stock management, reserve stock management and stock in hand. So let's open the software. So first you have to click on items, then you have to go into item settings. Here in display and damage settings, you have to enable this all four checkbox for display, reserve, damage and available and save. So as you save it, at the time of view, I will just adjust this. So at the time of view, you will get display, damage, reserve, available quantity over here. So let's consider this Monaco, ST Monaco. So you can see total quantity is 11, where one quantity is in display and one quantity is damage. So that's why the total available quantity is 9. So how to put this quantity for display and damage, I will show you. So consider this thing, Testy Monaco only, and you can click on display stock. As you click on display stock, you will get a list where you will get all the item list as well as the item which you want to put it into display. Suppose two items I want to make in display. I can select the date from which date they are into display. So after putting it into display, this item cannot be uh, put into any kind of transaction, and if you want you can remove this item from the transaction also. So totally depend on your choice. So I will save it. So here two items have been put into display. Similarly, for making it into damage, you have to click on damage stock. Suppose any stock got damaged. Let's say the 16 GB of pen drive is damaged, one piece is damaged. So I will put it into damage simply and save it. So as I save, you can see the stock is bit one stock is reduced and the available stock is 9 right now, and 5 is reserved. So the next is reserve stock management. In reserve stock management, whenever any kind of order is been placed from your mobile app or from the sales order screen, automatically the stock get reserved. So each and everyone or the purchase team should know that so and so stock is reserved and we need to order the remaining stock. So let's see. Let's consider the same Testimo Monaco only and put it into a sales order for this. So I will click on sales, click on sales order, select the party. So I've selected Monaco and the quantity of Monaco 3. And you can click on save. So as you save on this and you come back to the item screen, for this particular, you can see 3 stock has been reserved. So your purchase team will get to know that so and so order has been raised and the available stock is less and you can order it. So in this way we have seen display stocks, damage stock and reserve stock. Let's go through stock in hand. Stock in hand. So in stock in hand, you have to come into items, then Alt F6 is the shortcut. As you click on stock in hand, all the detail of a particular items come up, the exact stock whatever you have and the overall aging with the purchase date. You can see all the brief discussion with, if it is a serial number, it shows with serial. If it is having a badge, it will show you the badge. So all this detail is being shown in stock in hand. So by clicking on stock in hand, you will get a brief discussion, a deep knowledge of whatever the stock is there available, with all the parameters were aligned to that particular stock. So in this way, we have covered display stock, damage stock, reserve stock, and stock in hand. Thank you for watching the video.